Hello Home Chef, welcome to The Wok Life. I'm Will and this is my playground. In this episode, I'm going to make a cabbage stir fry with Chinese sausage. Woo! A little bit liquid in there still left. So when I was growing up, I really liked stir fried cabbages, so it has a nice little crunch and everything. But when I was in college, my roommate was like, can you put a little bit more stuff in the cabbage? It's kind of just boring if it's just cabbage, right? So I said, okay, how about a little bit of Chinese sausage? So I put in a little bit of garlic here and the sausage too. The sausage cooked really quickly. I want them to go in first because it does render the fat, and the fat from the sausage will flavor the cabbage really well. Also want to put in a little bit of salt now. I always forget to put in the salt later, so I always put it in at this stage. Now it's ready for cabbage. It comes together so quickly. It does really add a really nice flavor into it. Just gonna give it a stir fry so it doesn't burn at the bottom. Once you get a pretty good mix of everything, what you want to do is you don't want to char the cabbage. So all you need to do is bring a little bit of water. And let it steam for just a couple minutes to soften it. You still want a little bit of bite into the cabbage. You don't want it to turn into some mushy tasting vegetable. So we'll let it steam for a little bit and we'll be ready to plate. It's been a couple minutes. I think it's about ready. Let's take a look. It's nice and glossy, and you can see it's not very pale. It's a little bit of translucent through, so it's just about the right time. Let's plate. Here we go. I love making the sound where the spatula and the wok making. Usually it's a signal to the family that dinner is about ready. A little bit of extra spring onion, you don't need it really, but just want to put it on today. Or things can run away. Well, let's have a taste. I still have a little bit here. With the beef, with the Chinese sausage, a nice healthy bite. So a bit crunchy, and the sausage adds so much flavor. You can even taste it from the cabbage as well, since we'll render a little bit of the fat from the sausage before that. I hope you give it a try. Let me know what you think. Until next time, keep on cooking. Thank you for sticking around till the end. I hope you enjoyed the video, the recipe, and also get to try out a little bit. Feel free to join the community, leave your comments or suggestions down below. Any new ideas for a new recipe you want me to try or want me to test out, happy to do it here for you. And if you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button and subscribe so you can always hear the latest from me. Thank you for dropping by The Wok Life. Once you get a really good cannot talk today. I'm tired, cannot talk. Whew. Let's check it out.